60% of businesses saw productivity rise after adopting digital technologies. Half lowered operating costs, yet too many companies in London still rely on outdated systems. Franca Bruzzese, president of Alpha Core, puts it clearly. You can't grow a modern business on outdated systems. London industries need smarter, scalable tech solutions to stay competitive. If you're in agri-food, advanced manufacturing, healthcare, or digital media, your IT systems are doing more than ever. You're tracking supply chains in real time. You're relying on robotics and connected devices. You're managing clinical data, remote teams, and compliance-heavy processes. The stakes are high, and weak infrastructure slows you down or exposes your data. That's where managed IT comes in. It supports real-time production, keeps critical systems running, and secures data across departments. It connects researchers, automates workflows, and ensures uptime across your entire operation. Each industry in London has different tech priorities: IoT for agri-food, smart systems in manufacturing, strong data protection in healthcare, and scalable cloud platforms for digital media. A capable IT partner knows how to support each one. The biggest gains come when you work with someone who understands your industry and your local landscape. If your provider isn't reviewing these areas quarterly, they're not holding themselves accountable. To see the full breakdown by sector, visit our website and read the article. You can also add this show to your playlist to stay updated.